Hello, in front of me I've got TECNO Common 18 Premier. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display and brightness. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change wallpaper, refresh rate of the screen, and display mode between light and dark. Also you can schedule the dark mode. Then we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. And next we can enable or disable keep screen on function. Then we can enable or disable always on display and change its mode. Then we can enable or disable iCar, schedule it and change its intensity. Then we can adjust font size, enable or disable auto rotate screen, manage lock screen preferences like notifications on lock screen, text on lock screen, show wallet, and lock screen overlay. In the end, we can enable or disable status bar network speed display. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.